most merciful Father, who of your infinite holiness has given your only and dear lasting Son, Jesus Christ, to be our Redeemer and the author of everlasting life. So after he had made perfect our redemption by his death, and was ascended into heaven, poured down his gift abundantly upon people, making some apostles, some prophets, some evangelists, some pastors and teachers, edifying and making perfect of his church. I pray to God such grace that he may be ready to spread abroad your gospel of reconciliation and humbly.
Right Reverend Alfred Mozi, do hereby promise to respect, maintain and defend the rights, privileges and liberties of this church and diocese, and to serve therein with truth, justice and charity, not lording to over God's heritage, but showing myself in all things an example to all people, so help me God.
The Vice President, Cabinet Ministers,
na Mama Lydia, mwachie rukundo yetu kusima aho taratunguka umuhereza umushaka n'ibintu byentunguka n'ibikurenga umureberezi ntuva kuriti kandi ndabashaba okumanukisabira n'agamba y'umuhezi kandi umuyobozi wetu turaganza kubatariza menyo umulisa n'ukwebembera
forces around. I looked around. I woke up in the morning. I couldn't see any officer from the Royal Police. No one. And the army and police around are those that came as security officers for the rest of honor and other important people in the country. But no security risks in North Africa.
Must mobilize communities and make them active participants in programs that help them solve common problems that affect their well-being. As you are all aware, government has made immense efforts in the provision of public services like education, infrastructure, health, etc. However, at household level, the bulk of people who are still poor due to the failure of households to embrace commercialized agriculture are still many. Our people should therefore be sensitized to work hard and improve food security and household incomes.
Bishop Alfred n'umucyara we More hatunuwe Bishop wa North Ankole Diocese ntumwakira na rukundo mpango ntusima imbabazi arahanga ukwatore inwe akaragaho kemekwera izoba hatariho kabikona kona ntumushabira nyowe n'abagenzi banje bebembezi ntumushabira kandi ntumushiga tuza kwatanisa nawe kozesa amani bwitu n'ubwenge bwitu kureba ngo ibiyagamba yabishikiriza
erizoba nizoba rukuru munongo mumagaraga yitu g'abakristayo ngagabanya Uganda nkanosa Ankole twatunga Bishop Musya kandi umwana witu okuzarwaho mu rushere nyarubanye Tanzania Cedric Kakuta Bishop Ogomsya kagura hamwe so nimanye byafayo bya atakarokoke narokoke beno nekintu cyamani kureba umuntu owarebire akiri muto mukagura hamwe kandi akagaraka kaba Bishop okiruhone yoyombwe mbeze na yende chairman wa movement bayinaremo
Nisimo kitirisa president wa Museveni. President wihanga nekintu kikuruta kushaka kushanga. President ine kwataga mu munonga ne kanisa. Kana no president utakwikiriza mu nkirizemwe. Akikiriza inkiriza zo no mwihanga zona zikiriza mu muntu budiniye. Mbene msima kandi kumana supportinga. Konga tukurikize munonga president yuko natugambira. Abo president ne ikiriza munonga kuri ngwe kanisa na yagira ntasi. Eriko basa kumana giyamba. Tukushaba bushaba konga inkiriza zino kugira ntasi.
He has now crossed over from the House of Clergy to the House of Bishops. And that is an